when I saw this Wall Street cheat sheet, let me tell you, this cheat sheet has been in existence way before the Bitcoin was invented. Bitcoin was invented in 2008, but this is a cheat sheet that represents how the financial money flow happens into any particular asset and different emotions felt at different point of time. Surprisingly, the Bitcoin exactly follows the same pattern as well, apart from the any other financial asset. So this was a general financial asset description that this is how the price movement is going to happen, different emotions are felt, and we are going to compare in this particular video this point of time, like exact how this optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria, and all these things, anger, panic, capitulation happens, and we compare it with the Bitcoin cycles. And surprisingly, you'll find the similarity with this as well. This can help us secure our profits, book our profits by the next bull run. That is the exact reason I wanted to discuss this cheat sheet. So first of all, if you'll try to see, just because previously people have seen so much of the despair, anger, depression at this point of time, any rally from this point of time seems to be just to disbelief that, hey, this is just any other rally and we are going to go back. And then the dip happens, people are like, see, this was just any other rally, it was meant to not go beyond this. What is a hope amongst people that maybe this time it's different? Guess what? The attention starts flowing. And this hope turns into an optimism when the rally seems to be very real. This time it was not just a disbelief. Guess what? Then further it goes up and people are like, time to get fully invested. See, we all said, we all waited for this moment. This is the belief moment. And everybody starts coming out of the shell. And then they start getting fully invested. Guess what? Again, the investment decision turns out to be right. At this point of time, the thrill happens. That see, we told everyone and you missed the boat. Still, it is a time. The parabolic run is about to come. We are all going to the moon. People start buying on the level. I remember in 2021, this period came, people were buying on the level. And that decision also turns out to be right. This is the euphoria. And second half of 2021, when there was a double top, I remember Apple CEO Tim Cook came out and said he holds Bitcoin in Ethereum. And Apple CEO, world's biggest company CEO, comes out and tells he owns this particular asset. Such a bullish news. So the bullishness amongst the entire market of the sentiment is real. And this is the euphoria. Remember, this really seems, I mean, I can personally think of if Apple CEO is coming out and saying he owns Bitcoin Ethereum, it is a bullish news or a bearish news? Definitely it is a bullish news. So why in the world should we sell at this point of time? But remember, this euphoria, when it seems it is never going to go down, we are all going to be rich, everything is going to be right. That's when we need to start selling, dollar cost average selling. And then a little bit of dip happens and people are like, hey, we just needed to cool off. I remember $41,000 Bitcoin fell to from $69,000 here by December of 2021. And then it started back to 50,000. People were like, hey, this was a leverage shakeout that was supposed to happen. We are all going to the moon again. Guess what? Further than the dip and the day, this is why the anxiety comes, the denial comes. Slow. All this is slow. Month after month, it's happening. Everybody's waiting for the upward moment, going back to the moon. But remember, all this point people start accepting this is the bear market. And then the final capitulation, like this point of time, people are like, hey, see, I am invested into the great company. They're already so much down. There's no point of selling them. Guess what? Those people happen to sell when there is a final capitulation. And then slowly it hovers around and then the anger develops that how can such a scam be promoted into the market? And then slowly further dip down. And then the depression that you have lost it all. And the cycle repeats. Then slowly month after month, there is a disbelief rally and then the next bull run. Let us try to see in the Bitcoin chart as well. As you can see, it is pretty much the similar pattern. Like if you see the previous bull run in 2015 and 2013, it exactly followed this one. Here, it followed all this pattern like belief and then like this thing thrill, then euphoria, and then the mega dip. People were like, hey, this is just a cool off, we are going to come back. This was actually the double tap. People were thinking, oh, this was like a bull trap for the people. In reality, if we happen to see, but at this point of time, again, like we can say that the bull run ended over here, and then further here, then like anxiety, and then here anger, depression, my retirement is gone, how come government allow this? At this point of time, it is believed. Personally, I feel that we are again in the disbelief kind of a area that everything, see, it was meant to crash from $30,000, it is back here, and then we're going back again. Probably we are going back a little bit, we might form the double bottom, but the disbelief rally is very near from here. So just imagine, guys, this cheat sheet was invented long before. If you try to see the previous Bitcoin bull runs, 2015, 2013, it is following the same pattern. Why don't we use it to our advantage? And that is the exact reason I have covered in this particular video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure you subscribe it. We are going to be together in the bull run, in the bear market, in the crypto, the best crypto YouTube channel. We want to be together. So please ensure you subscribe to the channel and please do comment down below. Each one of your comments, I would like to know. What do you feel about this cheat sheet? What do you feel about the Bitcoin price and all these things happening? Right? I would be interested to know, and it will be really great conversating here. I hope you found the video helpful. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Smash the like button, subscribe to our channel. I'll see all of you guys in the next video.